Hello viewers, Valgro presenting to you workstation. It having the control panel. Applications are sanding, deburring, finishing, scratch removal. Valgro long belt finishing machines have a flexible abrasive belt which enables finishing on flat surfaces of big dimensions. Valgro-LBF machines are available with 4 feet working width, with single abrasive belt for grinding, deburring and finishing operation. It can sand in good quality height effect. It is commonly used in furniture manufacture and working wood. The finish achieved is matte number 4 finish.
समझो एब्रेसिव्स डिवीजन एक बड़ा सेगमेंट पकड़ता हूँ, लेकिन उसमें हर 4 साल में हमने ऐसे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बनवाए जो वर्ल्ड में पहली बार थे।